Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade fried chicken. As you can see, I've already cleaned my chicken and trimmed it. Gotta keep this fat on. That's necessary. Now keep in mind, your chicken needs to be room temperature, just like I have. You don't want it to be frozen and you don't want to rush it. You definitely don't want it to be too wet. So I had already pressed it out with some paper towel. As you can see, I just pressed off the excess water. You just press it nicely, okay? Take off the extra water after you had rinsed your chicken. This is looking fine. This is what you want. Okay, now, some simple seasoning, as you can see here, okay? My seasoning today, I chose to use garlic powder, ground onion, salt and pepper, and a little bit of basil. And then I hit it with a little bit of chili as well, okay? That's what I have in here. So we're just gonna pour this over the chicken nicely and we're gonna press it in and rub it in nicely, okay? We are seasoning our chicken. So we just wanna push it in, mix it nicely, evenly, because we are preparing for deep fry, okay? So we just wanna press it in nicely. That's what you want. That's looking great. Don't be shy. Get into your chicken. We want those flavors. So I'm pressing it in, okay? Look at that. All right, let's see how that looks. Okay, set that up for you so you can see. Now, I would say let this sit, okay? Let this sit for about 30 minutes just to get the flavors in nicely, okay? And I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. We'll be back. Okay, now that our chicken is waiting, we're going to season our flour. This is some self-rising flour. Let's just add some onion powder. I'm just going to sprinkle it evenly across the flour. And then I have some garlic powder. I'm going to just sprinkle it evenly. Okay. And then I have just a little bit of basil, give a little sweetness. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy, guys. That's perfect. Okay. Then I have some black pepper. Just going to sprinkle it evenly across the flour. Okay. And then I have a little bit of salt. Keep in mind, I realize this is self-rising, so I'm going to be easy on the salt because it's already salty due to the baking powder. Now we want to mix this up. Remember, you got to taste this. Okay? So we're going to mix this up. You just take a little fork and you just want to blend it. Okay? And you want to taste it because you want to make sure that it's the flavor you're looking for. Okay? So I'm just mixing it with a fork. You see that? I'm just mixing it. And then I'm going to do the old finger taste. Okay? Just want to see. Alright. Quick pinch just to taste it. Now I can see right away I need a little more garlic and onion powder. Okay? Because I tasted it. So you just shake some more evenly. Perfect. Put some onion powder. Okay? I'm going to add a little more basil. Okay? Let's give that a quick mix. Oh, of course, my chili. Get that chili in there. Chili powder. Okay? All right. I'm going to mix it again. Okay? I'm mixing it with a fork. Because you see the fork, the flour blends in nicely through the teeth. Okay? That's why I'm using a fork. Okay? Let's see. Give it a quick pinch. With the other hand, a quick pinch of taste. Here we go. That's perfect. There you go. Okay, let's talk about these eggs. Yes, eggs. This is going to give us the richness and that golden color. Let me show you. We're going to whip this up real quickly because we want all that yellow to come through. Okay? So I'm going to whip this up really crazy. Okay? We're going to add a little cream. This will give it the richness. Look at that. Yes, fried chicken. This is what gives it that golden color and helps enhance the flavor. Look at that. That's what we want. Just like that. Okay? All right. Let's make our fried chicken. We have our seasoned fried chicken, as you see, and we have our egg wash. Here we go. We put this into our egg wash. We turn it nicely, and then we dump it into our seasoned flour, okay? Just like this. Now keep in mind, I'm using my other hand, which is dry, and I never touch the moisture. Otherwise, your hands are going to get so sticky, it's going to be very difficult to manage. So you want to just press it in lightly and shake it. Keep in mind, this hand is dry, okay? Wonderful. Press it nicely and you shake it. Shake it nicely. Just press that in a little bit because we want a lot of flour. Okay? This is going to be for our fried chicken. Okay? That's nice. We're going to shake it nicely. Put it onto our plate. Okay? Just like that. Let's do the next one. Here we go. A non-chicken leg. Let's put it in the wash. Egg wash. Turn it nicely. And we take it and we drop it in our flour. Seasoned flour. Okay? Take my other hand and I'm taking the dry flour and I'm covering it. Covering it nicely. Keeping this hand dry. Okay? Press it in nicely. There we go. That's looking great. And we shake it. We shake it nicely. Press it a little bit more. Just want to make sure that all of that flour gets in there. Alright. Here we go. We put it on our plate. Here we go. Okay? As you can see, we're going to do the rest of them like that. Okay? Alright. Now, as you can see, our oil is nice and hot and we deep frying. So if you see the level, I brought it up in this pot just about halfway. Okay? And we have our fried chicken. We're going to put it in now. Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. Stand back. Oh, that's beautiful. That's what you want. That's what you want. Load it up. Don't be shy. Put that chicken in there. Wonderful. You just let it fry. Don't be shy. Wonderful. Get it in there and leave it alone. Leave it in there. Wonderful. That's what I want. That is beautiful. We're just going to let that go all the way till it becomes golden. Now remember, that's about 300 to 325 degrees. But you want it to be very hot and you want to maintain the temperature. So watch your heat and keep it at the same temperature all the way through. All right, let's just watch it from this point. All right, guys, we had this going for 12 to 15 minutes. We're about to pull it out, but I just want you to know, you see this? We kept this temperature going. You see how it's bubbling all around? This is what you want, okay? We had this going for 12 to 15 minutes. We're in the last minute now, so I got to pull these bad boys up. Now, remember, you cover your chicken. Oh, this is great. Keep in mind, we had that chili powder. That chili powder gave us a nice dark color, but this is your fried chicken. Oh wow, look at that. That is perfect. Okay? It was completely submerged. All of the chicken here was fully covered with the oil. That's what you want. Fried, deep fried chicken. Oh, this looks great. Look at this. This is wonderful. Just drain that oil a little bit. Put it right on some paper towels right here to get the extra oil. Okay? Just scooping this out nicely. I just want you to see. Look at this. Look at this. Wonderful. Get that last piece out. Wonderful. Let it drain on your paper towel. Okay? That's what you want. Just turn this around. Look at that. Look at that. Mouth-watering fried chicken. That's what you want. Here we go, guys. Homemade fried chicken. Look at this golden, crispy chicken. So easy, you could make it, my friends. We just did it. It's wonderful. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time.